The Legend of the Tomato. Once upon a time, in a faraway town, there was a woman who could be said to have no luck in life. Her name was Kamalia. Kamalia had a husband and children, but she endured terrible hardships. Kamalia's husband has many vices. In addition to not giving her money, he often beats her. With almost nothing to buy food, Kamalia decided to go to the laundress's shop next door. She endured doing laundry all day. She couldn't bear to see her children crying from hunger. When her husband found out about her affair, he would always take what she earned. He would spend it on alcohol and gambling. If she didn't give it to him, he would beat her. Some neighbors took pity on Kamalia. They often gave the couple food and old clothes. Kamalia's husband was so angry when he found out about the aid. He said he didn't want his wife and children to accept any help from the neighbors. Kamalia was told that if she continued to accept gifts from her neighbors, she would definitely be hurt. As a result, Kamalia's kind neighbors stopped giving her any help. They didn't want to hurt the poor woman anymore. Kamalia's eldest son took pity on her, so he was forced to work. He was planting in their neighbors. When the father discovered that his son was earning money by cleaning shoes just like he did with his mother, he also took the money. And as expected, he also spent it on gambling and alcohol. Thus, the family often went without food. Due to the constant hardship and extreme weakness caused by the lack of nutrients the body needed, Kamalia fell ill. Not long after, she died. Before she could breathe her last, the wretched woman managed to tell her children. Kamalia's body was buried behind their house. Not long after, a plant with red fruit grew there. Everyone was amazed by the said plant, and when they tried to taste the fruit, they were delighted. The said plant grew and grew. The siblings sold its fruit to the villagers, and their lives did improve, just as their mother had said before she passed away. It also became true that their father's behavior changed. He repented of his shortcomings. He now loved his children very much. The plant that gave new life to Kamalia's children was called Tomato. It was taken from Kamalia's name and her endurance in life. Kamalia, endurance. And since then, tomato has been known as a delicious food and a seasoning for dishes.
matamis na ngiti. Marami ang humahanga sa kanya, ngunit isa lamang ang laman.
I-click ang nasa itaas para mapanood ang buong kwento ng alamat na ito. Maraming salamat! Hanggang sa muli!